Cygnus, dependable wireless solutions.
The control panel is fitted with an evacuate site button as shown. Simply press the button, then confirm your choice by pressing enter. This activates all alarms across the site. To silence all alarms, press the silence system button followed by your 4-digit password. Finally, confirm by pressing enter. To activate the alarm, lift the cover and press the call point as shown. The control panel will display the zone and unit number, enabling location identification. To silence all alarms, press the silence system button on the control panel followed by your 4-digit password. Finally, confirm by pressing enter. To activate the alarm, lift the cover and press the call point as shown, or if you have installed the combined fire and first aid unit, simply press the button in the middle of the unit as shown. This will activate an intermittent 1-second siren every 8 seconds, so it can be clearly identified as a first aid emergency. The control panel will display the zone and unit number, enabling location identification. To silence the alarms, press the first aid button on the control panel as shown. Select the activated alarm and press enter. Confirm you want to clear the event by pressing enter. Complete systems or individual zones can be set up with a sounder delay. On activating a call point, the control panel is notified, but all sounders remain silent for the duration of the delay. This allows time for site management to determine if there is a need to carry out a full site evacuation. If the alarm has been raised in a genuine emergency, by pressing any call point for a second time, it will raise a full audible site alert. All activities will be recorded on the event log. The event log can be viewed by pressing the history button on the control panel. Step 1. Evacuating site. Step 2. Activating and silencing alarms. Step 3. Activating and silencing first aid alerts. Step 4. Sounder delay. Step 5. Viewing the event log. To find out more, call us now on 01 432 371 170